Welcome to Sureway English. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the biggest mistake that people make in reorder paragraphs. If you stop making this mistake, then it will help you score much better in reorder paragraphs. You will get more marks. And this is what I will teach you in this video. Make sure that first you watch this video till the very end, and then second, you use this advice, use this technique in your questions when you are practicing reorder paragraphs. So before we go ahead, just a reminder, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Please like the video, leave a comment, and check the video description for more free PTE study materials. Alright, let's dive into the video. Let's look at the biggest mistake that people make in reorder paragraphs. That mistake is trying to arrange all paragraphs in correct order. Now you might say that, isn't that what the question is supposed to do? That, the question asks us to arrange all paragraphs in correct order. Yes, but when you look at all the paragraphs at the same time and you try to arrange them in the correct order all at the same time, then that is a big mistake because it can confuse you. It can make things very difficult to get all of them in the right order. Instead, you need to change your approach. You should always look to arrange any two in right order. So instead of thinking that, I have to arrange these 5 in right order, so I should find out which is the correct place for paragraph number 3. Instead of that, you should look to arrange any two. That, okay, let me arrange, any two paragraphs. Which two paragraphs can I put in the right order? So start from there. That is how you should go about. Now, I hope you know that score is given for every two paragraphs in right order. So if you put a paragraph in the correct position, but it's not a pair, it's not relative to another paragraph, then you will not get any marks. So your focus should be on arranging two paragraphs at a time, two paragraphs in the right order. So that way, even if you are not able to solve the whole question, even if you don't get the full marks, you will at least get the partial credit. You will get some marks in reorder paragraphs. Let's look at this with the help of an example. This is your question. Now, this is a slightly difficult question, okay? If you see, probably you can put different paragraphs, in different places. For example, paragraph number 3, it can possibly be number 2 or it can be number 3. So you don't really know. And that is how most people attempt. They will take one paragraph, they will try to find a place for it relative to all other paragraphs. But you should instead focus only on two paragraphs at a time. Which two paragraphs are in correct order? So for example, if you look at this paragraph number 2 and paragraph number 1, then they are linked with this process. So possibly these are the two that you need to arrange in the correct order, right? And then here you have groundwater and here you have groundwater. So possibly these two you need to link in the correct order. So that way what we have done is we have taken a big question and we have broken it down into smaller easy pieces. So this approach, it gives us the correct order, which is this 2, 5, 4, 1, 3. So per mineralization is a process, and then this process talks about this process. So sorry, I'll just go back to it. So this process, it talks about this process, right? And then we have arranged these two on the basis of groundwater. So first, it tells that minerals precipitate from groundwater, occupying the empty spaces, and then what happens to these empty spaces? They get filled with the groundwater. And then the last paragraph, it just stays on its own. Okay, so even if you have a difficult question, but if you just change your approach, you just aim to arrange two in the right order, you will end up getting some good marks. So a simple adjustment in your approach and you can avoid this mistake and boost your score in PTE Reorder Paragraphs. Alright, so with that we come to the end of today's PTE video. Make sure you check out sureenglish.com, start your PTE course. There's also a premium course for those who need more streamlined practice. Make sure to check sureenglish.com. You'll get a lot there. And also please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for more free PTE study resources. All the best. Keep studying, keep practicing, keep your focus, and I will see you soon in the next video. All the best. Bye.